Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to accept a friend request on your Nintendo Switch so you can go ahead and add someone. So if you did receive a friend request, on the home screen here it's going to go ahead and blink blue like for a circle next to your profile icon. So on the upper left side of the screen you can see it's blinking. So let's go to my page right now and select it and then scroll on down under this list. And we want to go to where it says add friend. You can see the blue little dot is there also. Then we can go to friend requests. The same blue dot is next to that. And then I have 99 plus friend requests. So let's select this and then go on down. And we should be able to find all the requests under here that we have received. So let's go to this person because it's Yoshi and select it. And then we should be able to have the option to add them back. So it says become friends, decline, request, or block. Let's go to become friends. Right here it says please wait. And this may take a little time here. And we are now friends. So they should be added to my friends list now. And I should be able to invite them to the game. Now if you have multiple requests, it will automatically go to the next one. So I'm just going to go ahead and accept this one right here. And it says please wait, and we're friends now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.